What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Finally, Apple announced iOS 16 with many new features and improvements, especially the lock screen and its new features. In this video, I will show you how to install the beta version of iOS 16 in your device. Of course guys, I recommend that you take a full backup before updating to iOS 16 because the new update is still new and unstable. The way to download iOS 16 is very simple. First, go to Safari browser and then go to this website, betaprofile.com. Now scroll down and you will find iOS 16 beta profile. Now here click install profile. Now you will see this alert. Be sure to take a full backup before updating. Now click install anyway. You will see this alert. Click on allow. As you see, the profile has been downloaded successfully. Now go to the settings to install the profile. As you see, this is the iOS 16 beta software profile. Now all you have to do is just install it. Click install, install, install. Alright, the profile has been installed successfully. Now all you have to do is just restart your device. After restarting your device, go to settings and then go to update and you will find the beta version of iOS 16. Of course guys, I recommend you not to install the new update on your main device. If you want to install the update on your main device, be sure to take a full backup before updating. The new update has some problems and a lot of apps are not compatible with it, and therefore you will find some problems that will be fixed in future updates. iOS 16 comes with many new features and improvements, and it supports iPhone 8 and above. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.